Well, good evening, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather. Wanted to bring you a quick forecast update this evening. Boy, another wet day around the area. The good news is, though, we're going to dry out for the next couple of days, and boy, we certainly need it. There's that rain moving through the area right now. That will move off, and probably about 10 or 11 o'clock here tonight, that will be pretty much all out of the area, and we'll start to dry out tonight. That is a good thing, and once it goes away, it's going to stay away at least for a couple of days. Here's future radar, the way things look, and you can see. Well, here you go, and this actually takes it to, here's about, say, well, at 10, 11 o'clock here tonight, and there it is starting to exit the region, and as we move into the overnight hours, it's gone. And the good news is, as you just put this into motion, a spotty shower here that probably won't happen shows up, but it's all clear otherwise until we start to come near Friday, and then this takes us to Thursday night here about 2 in the morning, and then there's our next round of rain starting to head up. Now, if we take a look at this on the modeling, the reason why is high pressure is moving into the area. Let me go back to the very excuse me, folks, fighting some sinus problems here. Let me go back to the very beginning. There's the rain moving out tonight. Watch high pressure come in here. And basically what it's going to do is just squelch out any rain chances that we have all the way down to the south. And that's a good thing. We can dry out maybe for a couple of days. But as we go through Friday, though, we got some rain starting to move into the area. It's going to be a question of how far north that rain can really come, because the high pressure up here to our north, so we're going to act as a suppressor for this. I still think some of it will come up into our area. But, it may not make it as far north as Indianapolis. It may only make it up into just a few of our southern Indiana counties. We'll just have to see as we get a little bit closer to time, but there will be some small rain chances with that. Those small rain chances last into early Saturday morning, but then those will be pretty much gone too, as high pressure is in charge for us most of the weekend. And then as we move into next week, we have some smaller rain chances there again. But it does look like right now at this point, we might have those rain chances being small enough that they're going to be fewer and far between. Of course, that'll be helpful because we, as you know, have had a lot of rain and certainly don't need any more of that. Now, with that, the temperatures are going to rebound once we actually get a little bit of sunshine back with not a lot of rain. And boy, take a look how quickly they are going to rebound. Man, we were stuck in the low 50s today, and that's not going to be the case tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start to rebound nicely again, and you can see temperatures here upper 60s, low 70s until we start to get here a little bit later on in the period. And then take a look at the warming trend we've got, and my goodness, we're looking at temperatures possibly in the upper 80s as we head toward Memorial Day weekend. Wow, that'll be absolutely beautiful and a much refreshing change of pace for where we've been. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm not really ready to see the 90-degree here yet. We don't see it in the modeling yet, but it's inching there as you get closer to 87. Will that really verify? Well, modeling has been predicting some nice heat for several days now, and it's not come true, and it keeps delaying it. So there are still some questions, especially the further you get out in time on the modeling. And this is the GFS ensembles. This is one of the models. This is just the raw output from that. So as you get a little bit further in time, well, you see the warming trend begins. It's there. Of course, that might mean a little bit less rain too, and that's certainly going to be needed. We need to dry out a little bit, but the warmth will come. And it looks like the rain, while it sticks around, doesn't look quite as prominent. That's a good thing. Forecast, though, for tonight, showers to diminish overnight. It's going to be on the chilly side. A partly sunny day tomorrow. That's not going to be bad. Highs 69, 70 degrees around the area. That's going to be pretty good. 73 for your high on Thursday, though, under mostly sunny skies. Some showers move in on Friday. Saturday is a big question as to whether we see any showers with this or not at this time. Right now, the modeling is saying it's dry. Some of the previous modelings were saying some showers early on Saturday morning. Still up in the air. We'll go with about a 40% chance for now, but don't be surprised if that comes out. We hope it does. Not a bad day for Sunday. The 30% needs to come out there. That's a typo. Just going to be partly sunny and beautiful. And then we got some dry days next week. And folks, we are going to need that. So that's the quick forecast update, folks. One thing to mention here real quick tonight, I do have a survey out there on our Facebook page. If you just go to the Southern Indiana Weather Facebook page, facebook.com/Southern Indiana Weather, would you go down here and click on that survey? I've got just a three questions here that I would like you to answer that will help us to determine a little bit about the future of SouthernIndianaWeather.com and a mobile app that we are looking at developing. So if you wouldn't mind taking that, we'd appreciate your feedback. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite, folks. Have a great night.